Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products, bringing you expert insights and real-world testing. Today, we're focusing on a product that's been getting a lot of attention in the skincare space, an all-in-one skincare set designed specifically for men. Whether you're looking for the perfect gift for someone special or just wanting to step up your skincare routine, this could be exactly what you're after. Let's take a closer look. This kit includes everything a man needs to refresh and revitalize his skin. It comes with a facial cleanser, toner, scrub, retinol serum, and face moisturizer. Basically, an entire skincare routine packed into one set. A solid offering for someone who's just getting into skincare or someone who wants to simplify their routine. Starting with the basics, the facial cleanser is formulated to clean without stripping the skin. It's designed to effectively remove dirt and impurities while maintaining hydration. Now, a common complaint with cleansers is that they can leave your skin feeling tight or dry, but this one does a great job of keeping things balanced. Your skin feels fresh, but not dehydrated. Always a plus, especially for men with drier skin. The toner complements the cleanser by helping to balance the skin's natural oils. This step often gets overlooked in men's skincare routines, but toners are important for reducing pores and refreshing your complexion without causing irritation. This toner does exactly that, and it doesn't leave a sticky or oily residue, which is a common issue with other toners. Now onto the facial scrub, which I have to say I'm particularly fond of. Exfoliating is an essential step to remove dead skin cells and reveal smoother skin, and this scrub does just that. It's not too abrasive, so it won't damage the skin, but it's gritty enough to clear out any clogged pores. After use, your skin feels soft and ready for the next steps in your routine. It's great for those who want a smoother texture and want to boost their skincare absorption. The retinol serum and moisturizer are where this kit really stands out. Retinol is known for its anti-aging properties, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. It can be a bit tricky for some skin types, especially sensitive skin, but this formula is gentle yet effective. And it pairs perfectly with the moisturizer, which is hydrating but not greasy. Both of these products work together to improve skin texture, tone, and radiance. Now, let's talk about value for money. At first glance, this set might seem like an investment, but considering you get all the essentials for an effective skincare routine, it's a pretty good deal. The fact that it's targeted specifically for men and addresses all common skincare concerns, hydration, exfoliation, anti-aging, makes it a strong contender. Compared to purchasing each product separately, this kit definitely offers better value, especially when you factor in its quality ingredients. In terms of alternatives, there are plenty of skincare sets for men on the market, but this one stands out because it offers a complete routine in one package. While some more affordable options may not have the same level of hydration or anti-aging properties, this kit strikes a solid balance between performance and price. Let's move on to build quality. The packaging is sleek and practical, easy to use with no frills. It's the kind of set that looks good on a bathroom shelf, but doesn't require a whole lot of fuss. The only downside I found was the size of the products. While they're perfect for short-term use, you might find yourself needing to repurchase sooner if you're using it daily. Finally, if you're looking for an affordable option with similar benefits, there are a few other kits out there that offer a more basic approach. However, they may lack the anti-aging aspect or the deeper hydration provided by this one. So if those elements are important to you, this set justifies its price. Final thoughts. This kit is perfect for men looking to streamline their skincare routine while still addressing their most pressing needs: hydration, exfoliation, and anti-aging. Whether you're gifting it for a special occasion or keeping it for yourself, it covers all the bases. So does it live up to its claims? Absolutely. Is it worth the investment? If you're looking for a comprehensive skincare system that works for all skin types, I'd say yes. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this kit or have any other recommendations for men's skincare, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.